We've been partnered with Weinig for over 20 years now, and it's been a great relationship for us, and they've really helped us to grow the business. The moulders we employ kind of fall into three different categories. The first would be the Powermat 1500, which is our quick changeover machine, which is really important when we're doing smaller runs, and frequency is kind of repetitiveness is very, very important. Beyond that, we move into our workhorses, our two Weinig moulders. One is set up to do S4S boards and heavier molding profiles. The other we run a lot of hardwood flooring on. And then our recent acquisition is our high-speed molder, a jointed molder, which really gives us the ability to significantly ramp up our overall capacity and allows us to do the large runs or truckloads of door jambs or whatever it might be. Our tool room is really the nerve center of the operation. It's where everything kind of gets started. I think we're currently up to 1,200 or so different profiles that we've run and have cataloged so that we can reproduce those moldings if need be. We employ a CNC grinder to help us duplicate those profiles or take a drawing and create it into a work of art as far as moldings go. And I think you'll find also our tool room is probably one of the neatest and cleanest and brightest that you'll find in the marketplace. We really take pride in taking care of our equipment, taking care of our facilities, and the tool room's a great example of that. Here at Heister House, molding profiling is a big part of our business. We're currently running about 600,000 lineal feet per month, and we intend to grow that and grow it relatively significantly over the coming years. So with regard to molding profiles, we can do just about anything that somebody can dream up. So that can include baseboard moldings, casing, crown moldings, shoe molding, all kinds of different things. On top of that, we'd have the ability to custom create unique molding profiles. So something that an architect draws up or something that a homeowner may have in a 100-year-old home is all within our capabilities. So there's a lot of products that we manufacture that go into the finished home. And if we start at the floor, the first and foremost would be the hardwood flooring itself. Moving our way up, you would of course have your baseboard molding and maybe a little shoe molding that goes with that. Some houses will have a chair rail molding. Every house is going to have casing around the doors and around the windows. And then of course quite often we'll have crown molding up at the ceiling level as well. Heister House has had a partnership with Coffee Machinery for over 20 years, and we've really grown with them, and they've helped us to grow our business to the point today where there's really nothing in the molding or board or jam world that we can't do. And Weinig's got the tools to really help us be efficient and quite honestly profitable with what we do. And it's really the Weinig machines that help us do that, help us meet that customer's needs. So we're very excited about our relationship with Weinig, and we're very excited about Heister House's opportunities moving forward.